Sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice. Give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what.
You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red away. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red away. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red away. You are my sun. You are.
Just got done cleaning, and let me tell you, I am exhausted. I always feel like I have to start and end my week with a clean space, or else my mind feels extremely cluttered. When I'm in the zone, I just cannot stop till everything is done, but I feel amazing by the end of it. Anyways, welcome back to the vlog. I actually really want to take a core power class. I haven't done hot yoga in so long, and I just want like a good stretch. And then maybe get some food. We'll see. Thank you for being patient. I'm in love with you. Hard no.
Michelle.
Our friends got us a Breville coffee machine, which is such a nice gift. We've always just bought coffee, like bottled coffee. This is so legit. You know this? You like press the coffee down. Looking good. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I'm so grateful. Thank you, friends. On my lips and cheeks, I'm using this Chanel Lip and Cheek in number 5. And then what? And then on top, I'm wearing this Fenty lip gloss in Hot Cherry. It doesn't look this hot pink. Right now, we are off to dinner. We're eating Peking duck. Peking duck. See you at dinner. Don't pee in here. I'm watching you. He just peed in here. I literally took him outside to go pee, but he just wouldn't pee, and now I'm inside and he just peed all over my curtains. Yeah. We're off to a very chaotic start. We are finally having a housewarming get-together, which means I need to clean out rooms like this where I have been neglecting. This room is just like my dump room where I throw things that I don't want to see. Out of sight, out of mind. And this is normally very unlike me, but I don't know where my passport is, which is a big problemo. So while I do all of this cleaning, the goal is to find my passport. Wish me luck.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. What you do to me, babe, I can guarantee.
I have all of these wires, and when they're just floating around, it drives me nuts. So I'm gonna put them all together nice and neatly. It's nice and neat. Next up, I have these little individual containers where I labeled exactly what it is so that I don't go crazy. Hard drives that I've collected over the years, my mics, and again, I have them labeled. The room is nice and clean. High five. And that concludes today's cleanup. It's looking really good, really clean, very organized, and I am feeling very, very good. Cleanup dump rooms, check. We are back with another iHerb favorites, and a big thank you to iHerb for sponsoring this video. They have some of the best curated selection of products ranging from supplements, sports nutrition, and beauty products. And all the products that they sell is shipped exclusively by iHerb. First things first, if you know, Power Crunch bars. I used to not be a big fan of protein bars just because they are so thick and dry. It's like this waffle bar and it's just so crispy and airy and it's just so good. Next thing is probiotics. My mom put me on these. They're just a household essential and favorite. This is the Mighty Patch Nose from Hero. Think of these as like a pimple patch but for your nose. It just absorbs all the gunk and oil in your pores. I stick this on, sleep with it overnight, and the next day when you peel it, it is the most satisfying thing ever. I love it. And the next thing for me is collagen. Lately, Blurry Sauceman has been on a green smoothie kick. You just throw like a scoop in your smoothie and you have your collagen. You can shop my favorite products on iHerb. You can use my code Michelle for 20% off new customers and 15% off returning customers. We are at Grand Central. We are going to lunch at Nara, which is at the Rockefeller Center. We're sitting out at their outdoor terrace. I'm a little worried because it's 96 degrees out today, and I feel like this is the hottest day of the year, and I decided to eat outside. But the food looks amazing. They have like these chicken sandwich and sundae tteokbokki, which I've been craving tteokbokki, so I am very, very excited. Although it's literally scorching hot outside. Oh my god.
Caught in every moment. I see the sun on your face. Hopeful eyes keep on glowing. I love you more than words can say.
Thank you. Luckily they have indoor seating as well, so we don't have to sit outside in the heat, because I think it's like dangerously hot outside. This is the tteokbokki and sundae. And this is the kimchi fried rice with a beautiful egg on top. I really like the tteokbokki. There's like a seafood flavor to it that I really like. She works at Cartier, so we're gonna go visit the Cartier store, do some eye shopping. I just want to look. And I need to be indoors right now. It's so hot. Make your own minifigure. And it's so pretty.
It's good.
I'm at H Mart and I'm like totally filling these visors. Imagine me walking my dogs. Walking down the street. Just for some extra crunch. I I am currently in Williamsburg with Kristen. We're late, but we are going to lunch for G's welcome lunch surprise. Got lost so many times at the train station, but we have made it out. Oh, it's hot.